Hey everybody, Sean Gavin, RHG Products, Tucker Pole Systems. Quick explanation video of the assembly of your aluminum ADH model Tucker pole. So the ADH model is a dual hose, and so basically you'll have your standard gooseneck like all the poles do, but you'll also have an over-the-top sprayer here. So once you've assembled this correctly, I'm going to walk through how to set your hoses up. So again, you have a dual hose model, and so for the sake of the video, we've got some short lengths here, but you'll have much longer lengths than this. One hose needs to run up inside the pole for sure. You don't have to run them both up through the pole, but one for certain. And one of the hoses has a female swivel on one end and a male brass connection on the other. This is the one you have to run up through the pole. So you're going to run this up through the bottom and then thread it into the base of the aluminum gooseneck. So this will thread on and complete one line of delivery of water or solution, depending on how you want to set this up. But it basically will connect here, and that will send whatever is going through this line for yourself through the gooseneck and out the brush nozzle. Okay? The second line, you can either run up through the pole as well and then out the side hole of the number one section, or you can just run it on the outside of the pole. But it has a female connection on each end of the hose. So this will thread onto your over-the-top rinse bracket and spray tip. So that's your connection there. Now, when it comes to the other end, both ends of this hose have a female connection. You will have this 411 assembly, T-411 assembly. Two valves are built into this and a garden hose female inlet. Okay? So one of these lines you're going to connect to one of the valves. It doesn't matter which you connect. And the other line you're going to connect to the other valve. Okay? And so with both valves open, if you have the water coming into the system, you've got water coming over the top and through the brush. If you close one of the valves, obviously, whichever one you close is going to get shut off. So, dual line, dual hose, one central inlet. This is not a dispenser method. This is not the unit that would come with your soap. That's a C method dual hose. So this is your dual hose set up correctly for the ADH. For more info, visit tuckerusa.com. Thanks, everybody.